Hi guys, what's going on? I just wanted to tell you about one of the household cleaning products that I use all the time. This is Lime Away. You've probably seen it before. It's really popular. It destroys lime, calcium, and rust on sinks and fixtures, tub and tile, shower and glass. So basically, the reason I bought Lime Away is because when I moved into my house, the toilet bowl, I guess whoever lived in my house previously, really wasn't home much, so the toilet bowl had a weird rust ring around it that's almost gone. I haven't been using this as much as I should be because it really should be completely gone by now, but if you saw it before and after, it was a huge rust ring and I didn't know what to do. I mean, I had no experience because actually I lived in my parents' house up until I moved out and with my husband, so I really wasn't familiar with cleaning products and stuff like that. And my father-in-law came over and he's like, oh, just get Lime Away, and it's a great product, and he bought me a little thing of it. They have different sizes of it you could purchase online, and he bought it for us, and I started using it with toilet scrubbing brush. So basically I would just spray it in the toilet, let it sit for a bit, and then I would scrub it with the toilet scrubber. And eventually I would do this a couple times a week for a couple weeks, and eventually it got so much better and it came out. However, I haven't been upkeeping with it, so there's still a little bit of that rust ring, but it obviously it works. It's a really great product, easy to use and easy to find in stores and online. So this is the 22 ounce. Lasted me a while. It's getting on the empty side, but I use this in my shower and the tile, and I spray it on the glass doors. It's really the only thing that gets them clean. I have a squeegee that I use on the shower doors as well, but this just gets that mess out better than anything else does. So this is Lime Away with Turbo Foam. It destroys the toughest lime scale in seconds without scrubbing. Lime Away cleaner easily removes lime, calcium, and rust stains caused by the natural minerals in your water. It effectively cleans the toughest hard water buildup that surfaces stay cleaner for longer, so that surfaces stay cleaner for longer. Also try the convenient toggle bottle for easy pouring or application on larger surfaces, and Lime Away toilet bowl cleaner for those tough hard water stains in the toilet. Directions: wear rubber gloves. To open, press tab in and hold down while turning nozzle. Spray surface to cover soiled area. Wipe with damp cloth or sponge. Rinse well with water. To close, turn nozzle down until tab locks into position. Always reclose after use and store closed. Keep out of reach of children, of course. The ingredients on here. I was just seeing if I could find the ingredients on the bottle anywhere on here, but I don't see them. But do not use on natural marble, stone, terrazzo, polished or anodized aluminum, metallic or painted surfaces, colored grout, or countertops. May etch some older or worn tubs and sinks or ceramic tile. If in doubt, test hidden areas first. Avoid contact with wood, fabric, and wallpaper. Wipe up spills immediately and rinse with water. Not for use on food contact surfaces. Do not use on cookware, coffee makers, tea kettles, humidifiers, and washing machines. So that's all great to know. So I'll show you guys a little bit. The top is very easy. You open it this way and it sprays out of here. So usually this will come locked, but you can kind of I think you can move it, and I had my husband open it, but I think I just had to turn it a little bit to open it up, and super easy. So let's go over to my shower so you guys can see a tile shower. So you see in here I get a little bit of a stain. I don't know if you guys could really see, but in the shower doors, I literally just showered, so I don't know if you could see, but I do get a little bit of a build-up there, so I'll spray this. I'm supposed to be wearing gloves, but just so you guys could see, it's clear, pours out of here. And I think you could change the way it sprays as well on the nozzle, so if you want it this is more direct, if you want it more spread out, if that makes sense, you can fix that with the nozzle. So I sprayed on the glass shower doors as well. I should hold it a little further away when I do that. And then I'm going to just let it sit, and then I will scrub it with the sponge that I have right here. And yeah, oh, and then you guys could see the toilet ring, you see this ring around the toilet. This is what I was talking about. That blue is just from the the cleaner I have set in there, but it's like a weird stain kind of like around the ring, and then some like brown spots. It's just from rust, unfortunately. But yeah, if you guys saw it before, it was literally like a really dark brown ring around the toilet, and it was horrible. But luckily now it's much better thanks to Lime Away. I just gotta continue using it. So yeah, I'll just let this sit for a little bit, and then I'll scrub it with the sponge, and it really just helps with soap scum and just any kind of buildup from hard water stains. And I just think it does an excellent job with cleaning. You just got to be careful because, like the label says, you can't use it on, you know, every kind of material. So just got to be careful. But it has a like not really a harsh scent. Like there's no bleach in it, I don't think, but it does have like a little bit of like that cleaner smell. It's not like the most pleasant thing in the world. It's not horrible either. Not overbearing with fumes or anything like that. So to just give you guys a little background. But yeah, so that was Lime Away. Lime, calcium, and rust cleaner. Hope you guys try it, and I hope it works for you.